When your IcyBreeze won't turn on, start with these essential battery and basic setup checks. First, check your battery status. The indicator light tells you everything you need to know about the charging state. A solid green light means your battery is fully charged and ready to go. A blinking red light indicates the battery is in trickle charge mode, meaning it's charging but not yet full. If you see no lights at all, wait about 15 minutes. A blinking yellow light should appear and then change to red as charging begins. Make sure the battery is properly connected to the charger. It should click securely into place. Next, check the power switch. Rotate the switch wheel all the way forward to the bare position to ensure the unit is properly turned off before troubleshooting. Inspect your power cord for any damage and make sure it's securely plugged into a working outlet that's switched on. Finally, ensure your basic setup is correct. The lid must be properly closed, and you need sufficient ice and water filled up to the minimum water fill line inside the cooler. These basic checks solve most power issues with IcyBreeze units. If your unit still won't turn on after these steps, you may need to proceed to more advanced troubleshooting. If basic checks didn't resolve the issue, let's move to advanced troubleshooting. First, perform a complete power reset of your IcyBreeze unit. Next, test the fan operation at all 3 speed settings to ensure it's working correctly. The fan should operate smoothly at low, medium, and high speeds without unusual noises. Inspect the bottom of the pump cover for any obstructions that might block water flow. Remove any debris, ice chunks, or foreign objects that could interfere with pump operation. If you hear a loud whining noise, this indicates the pump is running dry. Immediately add water to the minimum fill line to prevent pump damage. The pump requires adequate water to operate properly. If these troubleshooting steps don't resolve the issue, remember that IcyBreeze offers a lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. Contact customer support for further assistance with persistent problems. Keep in mind that IcyBreeze is designed for personal cooling in small spaces. Its performance depends heavily on ice quantity. Some users report needing 20 to 40 pounds of ice for just 2 hours of operation.